Hey Math 8 students, so this Khan Academy scientific notation word problems, this video is actually going to be different from most. Usually I go through a problem, how to do them and everything. You already know how to do these problems because you've already gone through scientific notation multiplying and dividing, and you've gone through scientific notation adding and subtracting. This is one where you just have to decide what you're going to do. So for example, how much greater is the diameter of a human hair than the diameter of a spider's silk? So how much greater is something? That is simply a subtraction problem. How much bigger is this than that? So you subtract one from the other to get your result. So you would simply take this, which they already gave you, and you'd subtract this to get your answer. And you just need to write your answers in scientific notation. I'm not going to do the work for you because you should know how to do that by now. Okay, another question. Okay, and I always read this bold part here. If a $1 bill is this thick, how tall would 4 trillion $1 bills be? So you just simply need to take this and multiply it by 4 trillion using the little helpful hint they gave you here. You simply multiply 1. I would probably put this in scientific notation, multiply this in scientific notation to get your answer in scientific notation and put that right down there, but you should know how to do that. So good luck to you. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.